So yeah, just wanted to do a quick instructional video for those of you who have a financial calculator but may not understand quickly how to calculate an amortizing mortgage payment. It's actually pretty simple. I'm going to show you based on this calculator. This is an HP 10B, which is a very simple financial calculator. It's my favorite one. All you need out of all these buttons on this financial calculator are just these top row of buttons here, these 5 buttons. I'm going to tell you what they are. The first one here is N, and that is the number of periods that you're trying to calculate for. So if you're trying to figure out the payment on a 30-year mortgage, you put the number of months. So for 30 years, 360 months, you put it in there. Next one is I/YR. That's your interest rate per year. So you put your interest rate there. PV would be your present value. That is what you are borrowing today. So if you're trying to figure out what the payments are going to be on a $300,000 loan, you put $300,000 there. The payment, many times this is going to be what you're solving for. And then the FV is future value. You're going to put 0 in there because you're trying to figure out what the payment is going to be to pay off this loan to 0 after 360 months. So basically these 5 buttons here are kind of like a puzzle. You can have any 4 of these numbers and you can figure out what the last number, what the missing piece is going to be. So I'll show you an example. Turn this guy on, and let's say I'm going to do a 30-year mortgage. So I'm just going to put 360 in there, and then I'm going to hit the N, and then I'm going to put, let's just say 6% in there for the interest rate. $300,000 for a mortgage, present value, and then 0 for the future value, and then I'm going to hit payment, and it gives me $1,789.70. Now, once I have these information in here, I can change one variable, and it can give me a new number. So if I want to say, okay, let's say the rate is not going to be 6%, let's say it's going to be 6.5%. I can just change the one number. Now come over here, hit the payment, it gives me the new payment. Or I can take the same interest rate and the same loan amount, and I can say, well, let me see what it would be if I wanted to pay the loan off in 180 months, which is a 15-year mortgage, and see what the payment's going to be on that. Gives me that, so $2,600 instead. So that's how you use a financial calculator. It's pretty simple. Any questions, call me anytime, 877-8-GO-GREEN, or www.bridgecapitallending.com. Have a great day.